Alright, y'all, we are ready to try our first attempt at making this work. So, you got your on and off there. Let's see, so I think we'll put it in this way. Pump it up a little bit so this goes where it needs to go. A little bit more. Alright, so we got the wire in there. I believe this is where it needs to be, so fingers crossed. Supposedly you just keep pumping and pumping. Oh yeah. Oh, she's getting hard now. I have to put a little muscle into this bad boy. Good thing I ate my Wheaties this morning. Oh yeah. Let's try and give it another pump. I'm not sure if the dies are supposed to touch each other. The directions were a wee bit vague. Yeah, buddy, look at that. And I seen online all the cheap dies do this little wing thing, but honestly, these are the ones that came with the Renogy, and I can tell you that these are not, I can feel it's not a very good crimp in here, so I'm perfectly happy with that. Let's get the other one done up here. Alright, let's see, there's our mark there. Take my scissors, take my utility knife, and I just keep going around till I kind of start feeling it hit the copper. I know there's tools for this, but I'm not somebody that does this for a living, so. Alright, let's see. Here we go. Got that jacket off. I'm not sure what this is. I'm guessing like some kind of an anti-static or something, but get that off of there. Get to, I guess we don't have to do that. Alright, so now I need them to go opposite, so I want one down like this and then one up like this, so go ahead and make sure I get all the strands in here. Make sure we are looking good. Alright, I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up. So the way this is going to sit on the bus bar and this is going to sit on the inverter, so I've got them flip-flopped so it gives me a little more wiggle room. So let's turn this on, pump her up a little bit. Use my belly to kind of. Alright. Believe we got her where we need her to be. Man, this definitely uses all your grip strength, that's for sure. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. I definitely wouldn't want to do this for a living, that's for dang sure. Alright. I would say that's solid. That is a solid connection right there. All right, we are back with the power side crimp. I was always one, like I always soldered mine, and I've just been watching more and more about how that's not good, especially for something like this, but I was always a solderer. That doesn't sound good, does it? A solderer. I always soldered my stuff. I would be soldering things. Like I'm not exactly sure if you're supposed to go to, you just can't anymore, but, whew, try one. Yeah, that's no joke. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. Sweet. All right, we got one more here to do. Where's my marker? Let's see. Right about there. All right. So all I do is just kind of go around it a couple times like you're using a paring knife, just till you kind of start to feel it hit the copper. And then I go right from my mark. Again, slice down till you feel the copper. And then this should just peel right off. I said it should just peel right. Didn't you hear me? I said it should just peel right off. See how you are? Just wanted to be difficult. I gotta run around it again. There we go. There we go. All right, just that little bit there. Peel that off. And then there we go. All right. All right, now this one I got to do the same thing on. I got to do one way, one the other way, just like the other one there. Make sure that goes in. Yeah, that should be in far enough. Perfect. All right. Now, let's get this pumped up a little bit. Set that in there. Use my big old belly to kind of start it. Make sure we got it the way we want it to be. And start pumping. Man, it starts out so nice and easy. And then it gets so hard. I guess it's supposed to, right? Makes sense. Maybe if I do it. Maybe if I set it. Maybe if I just... Here, let me set it on the horse here. Oh my gosh. There we go. All right. Oh man. Man, if you're watching this video and it's like 10 o'clock at night and your wife ain't in the room, whoo, she gonna be wondering what's going on in there. Come on. All right, man. That's pretty freaking dang good. All right, I think we're good. Like, I think we are good to go. Let me get this shrink wrapped. Little heat wrap shrink. Always, it's funny. Like, I try to put my phone on silent. And I tell you, every time I get an idea for a video, I go all day, my phone doesn't ring. As soon as I'm like, oh, hey, let me get out my camera and start this. Like, my phone starts blowing up. Oh, God, so annoying. All right, let me get this one there, right there. Perfect spot. I hope this is in camera. That's gonna suck if it's not. All right, y'all. So there we go. We got our first 2 leads done.